Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix in Instagram an error occurred while uploading please try again problem or in Instagram video selfie verification not working problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 3. Again open your Instagram app. Click on profile picture. Again click on three line. Scroll down. Click on help. Tap on report a problem. Again tap on report problem. Click on include and continue. You can briefly explain your problem. Hi Instagram support team. Instagram account and error occurred while uploading please try again or Instagram selfie verification not working problem. Please solve this problem as soon as possible and send the support team. You can follow all of the steps to fix an error occurred while uploading please try again or Instagram selfie verification not working problem. If this video helpful for you, please subscribe our channel and like this video.